try and do the ever loved will it start video. And it has actually started. Winter happened. Just haven't had time or opportunity really. I suppose the best connects to the battery. Before I turn it on, just going to coil. I swear I wish I actually put a seat back in the car. I want to investigate the floor first. And see if we've got power. We have a minor problem there. We haven't even got an oil pressure light on. We haven't got any lights on. If you're squeamish when it comes to wiring, look away now. Look at this. I literally don't even know what to say. If you're going to solder a joint on, you could have just soldered straight to the back of the switch, which was, well, already soldered. Good job. Ignition lights. Nothing. Bollocks. It is now very late in the day. Several attempts to recover what we had earlier on. The aim earlier on was just to get oil pressure, just checking the lamp, and the car somehow was dead. And since then we had ignition but no lights. Now we have lights, and let's see what happens. Well, I turned it over a second ago, and the oil pressure then has just instantly gone to par, which is fantastic. Anyway, connect the HT leads and then see what we get. These leads are definitely some better. They're a bit manky, really manky. Well, that's quite positive. Never put any fuel in it, and I don't know the situation. The gauge is definitely reading empty.